Happy Saturday, everybody. We are on live at my sister's workshop, and I have my sister's friend Susie here, who has been fortunate enough to order our Simply Said kit. That is new. There's my sister Sarah, and in the background. Okay, and since I always have computer technological glitches, she is here to back me up if I need her. So anyway, Susie has gotten the Simply Said kit, and I want to show you what that looks like so that you can see. All right, so it comes with a hexagon board. The hexagon board has, it's not double-sided, it has the little hanging hook on the back, the little, what do you call that? The little jagged
like
teeth.
Tooth hanger.
Sawtooth, thank you, that was the word I was looking for. And then the Simply Said transfer, which we have previously cut into fourths along the little white line that it shows you. There are 4 chalk paste. Let's see, you cannot see that very well. There are 4 chalk pastes that come with it in this little pouch. Multiple uses. You can do more than one board with this. The bright white is the one color we do have. Oops. Okay. That's the bright white. There is chartreuse. That's this one. Mint condition. That's that color. And then turquoise oasis. Sounds like a place I want to go to, a turquoise oasis. I love blue greens of every color. All right, so we're going to use those colors to do this. And it comes also with our small beveled squeegee. Wait, I'm terrible. Okay, I could never back up a trailer, I don't think. Figuring this out, how to make it show. All right, so this is the beveled edge on this, not that end, this end. It's beveled there. Okay, and it's a little bit firmer, sturdier, so that